Hey, hi all. Welcome to BRR Knowledge Center. In this today's session, we're going to talk about drag and drop a feature for the image onto the upload control. So I want to explain like how to design a beautiful UI with HTML and JavaScript and CSS files and place the file upload control as so that user is going to drag and drop an image onto the file upload control so that I wanted to display same image in the image control. And similarly, I wanted to provide a browse button, like clicking on that area. So I wanted to showcase the open dialog, wherein user is going to choose the required file, and then he is going to choose a specific file, and that file is going to be displayed in the image area. So let me quickly get into this. So basically, overall, when I talk about this session, so I want to create this beautiful UI, wherein I want to have a box here in the center of screen, and this is my drag and drop image, and this is this image description I'm showing here for the user. Just drag and drop and or click on this particular area to choose a file, image file from the desktop, and the same file I'm going to display it here over this particular area. Okay, so let us quickly see this, how I'm going to do this. I'm going to open Visual Studio here. I'm going to create first an HTML file to create a beautiful UI here. So I'm going to generate UI here. This is my drag and drop, right? Drag and drop image via file upload control. Okay, file upload control, or I can say like file uploader. Okay, let me add a couple of things here. First thing is, anyway, I need to give a script file reference or style sheet. I'll do later anyway. So here I'm going to create a div, right, with some class. I can say drag. This is my class I'm going to create. Inside of this, I'm going to create a label for, right, equal to. This is input file, right? And ID I'm going to give it drop area. Inside of this, I'll be having file upload control, type file, right? And accept. This is what I'm going to accept right now is all, right? And ID equal to, right? Some ID I'm going to specify here is input file. Okay. This is what my upload control. And inside of this, I wanted to keep image as well, image control, so that I want to display whatever image file user is drag and drop. That image I wanted to keep inside of right image control. Hence, I'm going to define an image control with a SASE something. And going forward, I'm going to replace that with the given file. So right now, I'm just displaying my drag icon here, right? Drag icon.png, right? Going forward, I'll remove that and I'll replace with my, actual image control, image file, drag and drop, or click here, break to upload image. And also I'll be having a span wherein I wanted to showcase some message saying that upload any image, not only PNG or JPEG, any image you can upload here from the desktop. Okay, this is my just control list. I'm going to have it. So with that, it is coming like, when you just open this, you can see here, this is something which is displaying, right? I want to, make styling here. So what I'll do is, so drag icon, I missed spelling. Okay. Now you can see here, where is that? When I say open light server, I can see this. This is something which is displaying like this way. Okay. And even you can see here, this is what the UI right now. Okay. Now I'm going back to this here. I'm going to create a style file because I want to make styling here. I create a style.cs, right? So here I'm going to add styles to my controls. Okay. Firstly, I'll set some of the margins and this padding as 0 for all. And I'm just stating at 0. And some font family I wanted to set it because I wanted to give a beautiful font name to here so that it is going to show a good looking, yeah, right? And box sizing is border box, right? And coming here, I'm going to create, right? First class is drag have been mentioned for my, right? This div tag, right? So for this, I'm going to set it, right? Height and weight, vertical height, background equal to some linear gradient of as I wanted to create a sky blue, right? And light blue, right? And next thing is I'm talking about here is display appearance. I can say this is flex and alignment of all the controls, center, right? And justified content also I wanted to see. Justify content also center. Okay. Now, along with this, I wanted to give some styling for another div tag, right? Which I'll put it here is drop area. Sorry, it's drop area is label control, right? This is a label control. For this section, I wanted to give some styling. So drop area. So here, width equal to some 500 pixel is enough. And height, this is 300 pixel. Okay. And padding some 30 pixels so that the screen will get coming into the center part, right? And the background, I wanted to give white. Okay. And text alignment, right? Anyway, this is center. So border, I wanted to keep a radius style, hence border radius equal to 20 pixel. Also, I'm going to add another class for this particular image view div, which is on top of my the image control. So for that, I'm going to say image view, right? Here, same width and height, I'm going to set it. This is 100%. This is also 100%. And right, border radius, right? Which I'm giving 20 pixel. Okay. So, and along with that, I'm going to say, right, border, I want to display, right, border, 2 pixel and dashed style and red. With that, I can get the border, right? Anyway, background is again white. Okay. And background position, if you want to set it as center, you can set it as center, right? And background size also, you can set it as cover. Cover, that's all. So with that, right, we have almost set the minimal requirements for the styling of your this the look and feel of your upload control. And for the image and span, we have put it here, right? So for the image also, I want to set some style, and for the span also. So I'll create that as well. Image view, right? This is image view. Instead of that, I want to set some style width, right? Is 100 pixel and some margin top. I'm going to give it is 25 pixel. Okay. So with that, I'm fine this. Let me go back to your HTML here. Try to add reference, right? Link tag relation is, right? What is the relation is style sheet and href equal to, right? Style.css. This is what my file I'm giving here. and go back to your UI, right? Where is that UI? This thing, right? You can see this is coming here, right? So like we need to look at these styles are applied properly or not, right? So looks it is not applied. Go back to your code. I think we missed style sheet here. Go back and see. Still not coming, it seems. Go back to your code. This is style CSS. And link style sheet. Spelling seems wrong. Style sheet. Now see here, it is displaying background, the sky blue something, and this is white. And this is the red color border, and this is the drop down. You know, the kind of file upload image which is showing by default in the image control. Now you can click on here and drag and drop. You can do whatever operations you want to do it. But I wanted to set, events for this, right? Right now we have just a style. You just formatted all the controls, but no for, so nowhere you have written events for this click event or drag and drop, right? Go back to your code, right? And in the style, I think, did you miss anything? Style, font family, margin, zero, and this thing, font family. Why this is zero, not O. Okay, fine. So coming here, just try to add script file here, that is script.js, right? So that you will going to add some events to your control. Firstly, I'm going to create constant variable drop area, document dot get element, right, by ID of drop area. So drop area control object, I'm getting it. Similarly, input file equal to document dot, right, get element by ID of, right, this is input file. So input file. So this is what the ID you are mentioned. Go and check here input file. What is the ID you are given? Input file. And this is drop area, right? Now, similarly, I need to have other fields as well. One thing is image view. Another thing is uh, drop zone message, right? And other thing is this is span message. So where do you have span? Inside of your image, right? Hash image view span. And here also image view, this is p tag. But in this case, you need to use query selector, but not get element by ID, right? Now my variable declaration is done. Now I'm going to add events for my file control. The thing is change control, which I'm mentioning as upload image. This is going to file. I'm going to write definition for this upload image here, upload image, right? So in this, what happened? Image, upload image, upload image. What is taking? Expect wherein add event relation or change. Okay, I missed a comma. So now in this, right, I'm going to create a link object, that is let image link equal to URL dot create object URL of input file dot files of 0. So I'm going to get URL from here and assigning it to this image link variable. And this image URL, I'm going to set it for this image view control. So URL, right, of dollar image link, so that it will dynamically resolve and give you, right, the URL. Now I'm going to send text this image view content, whatever content you are showing, as an empty, right? And also border, if I want to set, I'll set border to 0 plus. That's it. Now I'm going to stop some of the events like drag over. So drag over, right? I'm going to stop this event function of E, right? In this E dot prevent event default, okay, which is going to prevent the event. And similarly, I'm going to add drag and drop, right? That means drop event, I'm going to add it. Function of E, right? E dot prevent default input file dot files. I'm going to set the files available from the event argument you are getting in this function, that is E dot data transfer dot files. And then I'm going to call my load image. Okay. So with that, I've done the creation of events. Now go to your file and try to give a reference of this particular file, script file, right? src script.js. Got it? Go back to your control, just click on here. Oops, it is not firing. It tells we did mistake. Script. Okay. src. Did we did any mistake? Script src script.js. Okay. Style. Go back here. No. I'm clicking on it. Not happening anything. So go to your script. Look here, and we have taken drop area and input file, and this is not drop area, right? This is image view, correct? Image view. Okay, and query selector P, and this is span. Okay, let me try now. No, anything mistaken? So it is not firing. Input file, add event relational change, upload image. No. Did we miss anything? So drop area, get element by ID, get element by ID. This is image view, query selector P, image view, add event relational input file, this input file, and change upload image. In the upload image, let image URL dot create object URL input files files of 0 background image. I cited this. This is image link, image we content style dot border, style dot border, and with that it is done. And drop area, add event listener, drag over function of e on prevent default, and add event listener drop function of e defaults input files equal e dot data input files upload image. It seems everything is fine. Why this click event is not happening? Go back to your core. Should we miss anything? This is drag. The div class drag label. Oh, it says lab label. Okay. Go and check. No. Image view input file. id drop area, input type equal to file, accept star id equal to input file, and this is div image view, and this is the image icon, and p tag span and div, and this is a label, and this is div script, and this is the style sheet. It's almost done, right? What happened? And this is style, right? We are written and change. It has to call, right? So go back here. Why this click event is not firing? Let me drag and drop some image. It is fine looking. But this is not coming inside of this, okay? Where is that HTML label for input file? Oh my god. This has to be this way, right? Because here I'm mentioning input file, and here let me clear this, and I click on, now it is filing. Cool. Yep. So I want to hide this, right? And let me do this. Go back and just hide this so that you will not see that. And go back here. No, you're not. Just drag and drop, or just click on here and just put it here, right? Or you just wanted to drag and drop, right? You can drag any image like in this way, it is automatically coming. Okay, that's how it is going to happen, right? So with this, I think you almost done this, like how you are going to open this particular stuff. Okay, this thing is no, let me check this image, accept image, just a JPEG. I'm just checking only filtering JPEG files. I'm not sure this works. Image and .jpg. No, what happened? Let me try this. It's not browsing. Accept image. I think just this thing. Just image. You can give this way. It has to filter. I'm not sure why it is not filtering. So I'm going to achieve this. I'm not sure. Let me just filter only images, right? Let me click on this. Yeah, this way you just filter only images. Okay, this way it will only display images instead of displaying all unnecessary files. Okay, and this way you can drag and drop and you just browse the file same way. This will get displayed the image here. So I hope you understood the development process of creating upload control for drag and drop. I just created a plain HTML here. And at the same time, I created a style class here with the required styles, width and height and background and the radius of your border and content displaying in center. And also I just added the events for file control. One is a change and then another one is drop and drag over. The drag over, I just stopped the event because I don't want to, fire an event in the drag, because I only fire event once I drop the file onto the area. So then I'm just disabling this and I'm just using drop. Here I'm just getting the file from this particular event argument, and that file I'm going to give it for my input control. That is what object have been taken here from the input file control, and then immediately calling upload image. With this, I'm going to create image link and assigning it to my image view, do background. And this is clearing of my content, right? And even you can clear this content of the span also, because once you get the image, right? So no need of having this content, right? That also you can drop zone message span, and this thing also page tag, we just say empty. Okay. So with this, we have done this implementation of drag and drop and clicking of image. Okay. So simple way is just drag and drop, right? That way it is going to display the image in the specific area. Got it? So this is what the implementation part of using HTML and sample size CSS file and script file. I hope you understood the concept of creating a beautiful UI for upload control for drag and drop of image control. Okay, thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.